Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Disgust from Inside Out 2. So let's get started. To draw cute Disgust, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a soft curve. So about this long. And then I'm going to go ahead and fill it at the bottom here with a deep curve. And connect. Then I'm going to go right across, so just using this as my guide, I'm just going to go right across, say about this wide. And once again, I'm just going to draw a soft curve, about the same length, and then once again, draw the same thing at the bottom. There. So now that we have these two openings here for the eyes, we're going to come back in towards this edge more. We're going to go ahead and draw curve as if you were drawing a circle, and then we're going to come inside another one right about here, and then I'm going to go ahead and shade this all in. Get a little bit deeper, and then right here I'm just going to add a circle for a highlight. So then you would just color Disgust eyes like a green right there. So same thing here towards this edge more. And around, and once again, same thing. And a highlight right here, just like the other side. There. Then from there, I'm going to go ahead and just thicken this top part up. So anchor her eyes a little bit better. So I just want this part nice and thick. And same thing here. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw her beautiful long lashes. And we're just going to pop out here, and I'm just going to draw 3 of them. Make them nice and thick. And same thing here. They're super long, right? Okay, there. So now that we have her eyes in, hopefully she looks very disgusted right now. We're going to go ahead and draw her mouth. So I'm going to find the center, so about right here, and I'm going to start, and we're going to pull a curve up. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to go ahead and go up, and we're going to draw her mouth here. So right here we're just going to go a little bump and another one and end. So we're just drawing this little kind of M at an angle. Then at the bottom we're going to connect it with a soft curve going up. There. So just want to end with that shape, and then let's go ahead and fill it in. So right here we're going to start, and we're just going to curve all the way back. And at the bottom, another curve. And then in here, we're just going to darken the ends right here. And then that will be her teeth right there. There. So now we have her mouth in. Okay. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw her brow. So over this eye, I'm going to come up, say about right here, and I'm going to draw a curve coming down, and it's going to wrap down towards her eye. Go ahead and thicken that up. From there, let's go ahead and draw her face. So we're basically going to draw the bottom of a U, and I'm going to start about right here where her lashes are. And I'm going to start to curve. So same thing on this side. And they're pretty low chin, so I'm just going to find my center, and let's say about right here. I'm going to give myself a point. This is just makes it easier for me since I'm drawing pretty big, so I know where I'm going. But if you're drawing kind of small, you might not need to draw at that point, but it is nice to have so you know where your center is. And there. And connect. There, so just drawing one nice round curve. Okay, so now that we have the bottom part of it, we're going to go ahead and work on this side first. We're going to bring this up. And so we're going to go kind of straight up, and then we're going to curve in to about right here. And this is where her hair parts on the side. So I'm going to go ahead from right about here. I'm just going to pop it out with a little curve. So this is where the hair is going to part. So let's go down on this side. And then this side's going to go up. So now that we have that, we're going to go across. And this part's a little bit straighter. We're going to go across. And before we finish that, let's go back right here. And I'm going to curve down for her bangs. So let's bring this curve down all the way to her eyes. It's basically touching. And then we're just going to zigzag some strands. So one, all touching her eye so that you don't have to draw too much detail. And then maybe one more that just comes out. There. So whatever space you have, just fill it in. And then from there, let's go ahead and let's work on this side. So about right here, this comes in. So then about right here, I'm going to go ahead and just bring down a curve. But I just realized I have to draw, well, actually, you know what? We can do this first. So we don't want to go below her chin. So about right here, we're going to curve in, curve out, I mean. And then let's go back here and we're going to curve up. And then we're going to slant down about right here. Bring it down, and we're just going to thicken up this strand to bring it down, and then we're just going to connect everything. And about right here, just zigzag and connect. There. And then on this side, we're going to bring it down. And once again, we're not going to pass the chin, so about right here, just going to go ahead and zigzag in. There. And let's see here, then let's finish this part right here. We're just going to wobble our way. And then we can come in here and just add some curves so we know the flow of the hair. Just going to thicken everything up. There, so we don't have to see, we don't have to draw her brow. I'm just going to make that part thicker. We're just covering up the area where her brow would be so we don't have to draw it. There. So now that we've finally done with her face, let's go ahead and draw a cute little body. So I'm going to find the center. So let's say about right here. And we're just going to draw 2 lines for her neck. And then we're going to just connect it because she has a I don't know, what do you call it? Handkerchief tied around her neck. So then right here, I'm just going to come down for her shoulders, both sides, and then we're just going to go ahead and connect it. So come down with an angle on both sides and connect. Then right here, we're going to V right there. And then let's bring this down for her belt. And connect. And then some details right here. We draw a little buckle. right there. You know, it's so tiny. And then let's come right here and we're going to pop out her skirt. Okay, let's bring it down. And let's see about bring it down a little bit more. I'm going to go right there. And I'm just going to end at the same level on the other side. And then we're just going to go ahead and connect it. Wobble the center lower and then wobble again. There. And then for her feet, we're just going to find the center and then come to the left. So the center, come to the right. So right here, we're going to angle. And then this part is going to angle in for very tiny feet. And right about here, going to pop it out and connect. So then we can come right about here and draw a curve for her tights and a little curve for her shoes. So same thing here. Angle, same level, then same thickness. The tiny little feet. And once again, the shoes right there. From there, let's draw her hand. So this hand is going to be on her hips. So I'm going to bring this down and we're going to bend her arms. So let's say about right here where her armpit would be. We're going to bring it in and then about here, we're just going to bend it down towards her skirt and just thicken this all up. And then her hands and a curve right there. And then on this side, we're just going to have it coming down. So we're going to angle. And let's see here. Just trying to make it about the same length. So let's say about right here. A little bit lower. So we're right there, and then we're going to draw the fingers and out, and then another one in the back. There, so the other hand, and then of course we need to draw right about here. We're going to draw the ends. So one, and then maybe another one right about here. There. And let's see, and then for some details on her skirt, pop in these lines, and let's see here. Looking at the eye now, I'm going to make this a little bit rounder. I think it softens it up a little bit. And that is pretty much it, except I think I'll add a heart. Where should I add the heart? Okay, I'll just add it right here. I know she has all these patterns on her dress, and do that when you're coloring so that you don't mess. I don't mess it up with a black Sharpie, but hopefully you love this new version of, well, my new version of Disgust from Inside Out 2. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope I helped you draw her fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.